Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Talks ka Pitara. Today we are going to talk about clustering in intelligence server. Clustering of intelligence server in MicroStrategy. So before I talk about the clustering of intelligence server, I wanted to show you that the two options available in intelligence server, the multi-sourcing we have already discussed. So if you have not gone through that, I request you all to check your top right corner and you will see the I button. There the multi-sourcing video is getting popped out. Now let's talk about the clustering. What is clustering? So as the name suggests, clustering means grouping or heaping of objects. So in this case, we are clustering multiple intelligence servers or the machines in such a way that there are more than one machines or more than one servers, which is called as nodes. They basically behave like a one single server. You must have done this in your school life, right? When a teacher asks for your attendance and that day you are not available, you ask your best friend to do the proxy for you. So what will happen is the moment teacher asks your name, your friend will say present sir or present ma'am on your behalf. So exactly the same work is being done here into the intelligence server. So multiple tasks are coming to the intelligence server, and if because of some reason some particular intelligence server is not able to take up the work, some other intelligence server will pick up that work. So though there are multiple intelligence server, they will in common, in general, in grouping, they will work as a one single node or one single server. So what is benefit of clustering? First is it provides higher availability. That means if another node has failed, some other node can pick up the work. Second benefit is that it provides better performance because various loads or the various jobs can be distributed among different intelligence servers. Third benefit is that it provides greater scalability. That means as and when you want to increase your new resources, some new additional load is coming, you can always grow your system in your clustered environment. Now the question may arise is that in which scenario I have to use clustering. So for that, clustering is recommended when you have an application which is mission critical. That means you are looking for an uninterrupted access to the data and your system performance is very important to you. So in such scenario, you can provide a failover support and also they improve the performance using load balancing of those particular jobs. So let's understand the clustering with one example. In this case, you can see we have 5 web browsers, web browser 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is your load balancing machine and these are your intelligence servers 1, 2, 3. You can have up to 8 intelligence server in a default mode of clustering. So in this example, we have 3 intelligence servers, 3 different nodes. Now, based on this, you can see that web browser 1 and 2 request is going to the intelligence server 1. Similarly, web browser 3 and 4 request is going to intelligence server 2 or the node 2. And web browser request 5 is going to be processed from the intelligence server 3. Now in this case, consider that your intelligence server 2 is not working. It has to go for some maintenance or there is some issue with the hardware. So what will happen to the request which is being requested by web browser 3 and 4? So in that case, what will happen is load balancer will check which particular intelligence server has lesser weight. That means which has lesser burden. So in this example, consider that intelligence server 1 has among 1 and 3, intelligence server 1 has lesser load. That means this web browser 3 request will be processed from the node number 1. Sorry, not 3, it's a 1 and 3. So 1 is having lesser load. That means this web browser 3 request will go to intelligence server 1. Now intelligence server 1 already have requests from web browser 1, 2 and 3. So in that case, this web browser 4 request, instead of going to the intelligence server 1, it will go to the intelligence server 3. So I hope you understood this and you like this video. I thank you for watching this video, and if you have gained some knowledge or insight from this, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.